Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Polkadot is one of the coins that actually made that lower low that we've been waiting for. We have a complete looking 1-2 setup now. We can count the ABC structure, and in the C wave we can actually count 5 waves to the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That doesn't mean it is necessarily complete. To be honest, in this latest wave to the downside, I only have I have a possible 5-wave move down, but it's not a very clear one. Again, it remains my view that as long as we don't have an impulse to the upside, I cannot confirm to you that a low is in, but of course now it is where we wanted price to be. And it's a phenomenal reward to risk ratio, but I would be extremely careful here generally in the market at the moment until we have possible reversal signals. I wouldn't really do much. I would be extremely careful, okay? So just be aware of that. We need a trend change signal. At the moment, we're just making lower lows and lower highs. And even though we have a complete count now, that only really fulfills the minimum expectations for ending this correction. It doesn't really mean that it is necessarily over. Okay, so just be aware of that. Without a trend change signal, we can't say. And such a trend change signal might be an impulsive break above the wave 4 high. That is sort of the earliest signal that I think we can really trust. If we get an impulse above the 556 level, so we need a 5-wave move to the upside, something like that. This, by the way, clearly is only a 3-wave move, so I don't trust it, okay? But if we were getting something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5-wave move, whereas each subwave also needs to be in 5 waves, then we can trust it more. And if we then get a subsequent 3-wave pullback, we have what we need. Basically the first higher high, ideally above resistance, and a higher low. But at the moment, we do not see that. This can change quickly in crypto. You need to be aware of that, but most of you are. Things can turn around at an instant in crypto. On the daily chart, indicator-wise, we've just only crossed bearish on the daily. So we have on the MACD a bearish cross now. Okay, that only happened today. So we don't really, the day is not over yet. So this can change throughout the course of the day. But if the day closes like that, then we have first bearish crossover. Now, again, things can change quickly. They're only indicators. I wouldn't overestimate that. But if we take into account price action, which so far hasn't given us a bottoming signal, if we consider bearish crossover on the daily, and if we consider that the RSI still hasn't crossed bullish and also is not above 50, but instead in the bearish range on the daily, I would still be careful and cannot yet confirm that a low is in. Relevant support levels remain 485. So if we make one more low, which at the moment is certainly likely because the rally was only in a correction, only a 3-wave rally at this stage, this can still go higher. But at the moment, until I see an impulse, I can't confirm. Again, this might be a diagonal pattern which is unfolding, but it's so far only in a correction. But relevant support remains 485. As long as we're holding that, that is the 78.6 FIB level. This could give us a 3rd-wave rally, but obviously it's getting challenged the lower we go. Below 485, I really only have the 455 level left as bullish support, but it is a rather unreliable support level. Typically, these setups start to fail if price breaks below the 78.6 FIB level. All right, that's my update about Polkadot. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.